Hello and good morning. My name is Hakimie and today I'm going to show you my project-based learning embedded system. So, my project name is Smart Aquarium. It is a Arduino project base. So, the Smart Aquarium is a project developed to help aquarists maintain the perfect condition for their smart aquarium so that the plant and the fish can grow without any uh, problem. So today I'm going to show you my simulation on the project. Before we go far, let me show you my input and output of the project. So for the input of the project, we have the push button to control the set point temperature. We have the temperature sensor to sense the temperature of water inside the aquarium. We have the LDR sensor to sense the light intensity uh, inside the aquarium, and the output will be the heater, the heating element, the LCD, and the lamp here. So as you can see here, I used two kind of NPN transistor for the circuit. So we have a light sensing circuit and heater circuit. So let me show you my simulation here. So beginning my simulation, we have the LCD show the Hakimie Smart Aquarium, and we have the temperature set point is 30 degree and the temperature inside the aquarium is 29.3. So the LED will be green because the set point is higher than the temperature inside of the aquarium. So the heater will be on. So when we have the set point temperature below the temperature inside the aquarium, so the heater will be off and the LED red will be on. So as the light sensor circuit, when it is daylight, the lamp is off. So when it comes to dark, we get the LDR sensor far from the light, so the lamp will be on, as you can see here. So this is the temperature sensor to sense the temperature of water inside the aquarium. So I said it is 29.0, but the LCD showed is 29.3. So that's all for the simulation circuit, and we move on to the coding part of the circuit. Hello, and coming back to the coding part. So we have two major part of the coding in Arduino, which is the void setup and the void loop. So as you can see here, I set up the LCD pin 4987654 on the digital pin of the Arduino, and the LED red is on the digital pin 10 and LED green is 11, relay will be 12, relay will be 13. So because I use relay, two type of relay, so this is the relay for the heater element, this is the relay for the lamp. So the LCD 9, digital pin 9, and the LDR will be on the analog on the input. Analog input of the LDR sensor will be at A0. So the up key and down key is the push button key 3 and 2 at the digital pin. So the set point will be 30. Set point to show on the LCD will be 30. So for the void setup, I have the pin mode. Every single input and output will be on the void setup and the pin mode. So LED red, green, relay, up key and down key will be the output. So this is the relay for the heater. So the digital right up key high. So to pull up for the set point key. So this is the setup for the LCD. LCD begins 16 by 2 and will be print my name and the smart aquarium. This is for the beginning of the LCD, and the digital right for the LED. So if high, the green LED will be off, and if red, the LED is on. So LED for the relay. So this is for the heater and will be delay for 2000 seconds, and the pin mode will be the output, and the LDR only for the input. So here we have the output and input. LDR will be the input. So for the void loop, I use the analog to digital converter for the analog read A1 uh, for the temperature sensor. So the temperature will be read on analog and it will convert to the digital. So here I set the LCD to print temperature, and if the set point is higher than 0, then it will minus, and if it is lower than 150, it will be plus. So this is the set point for the digital key, whether to up and down. So this is the print for the set point on the LCD. And moving on to the temperature and set point. So temperature is higher than set point. This is for the setup for the LED. If the temperature is low, set point is if the temperature is low than the set point, so that the heater is on. So this is the code for that. So for the LDR value, this is the code for the LDR value. Moving on to low, and we have the LDR value. I set it for 500. If the lower than 400, then the LED will be lower, because it is the daylight and this is the night time. So this is the code for the LDR sensor to function. When there is no light, there will be lamp on. So that's all for the coding part. It is not so hard because it only contain two big send, which is the loop, void loop, and the void setup. I can make the code easy. Will be using the function call, so that the code will be not only used for the loop. So that's all for the coding part. I hope everyone can understand the code. Thank you very much.